budget-friendly salmon and pea pasta. Firstly, bring a pan of water to the boil and cook around 240 grams of whole wheat pasta according to manufacturer's instructions. Now heat a tablespoon of oil in a saucepan and pop in a chopped onion and cook for a few minutes until soft. Now add around 140 grams of frozen peas and 2 defrosted skinless salmon fillets, which are cut up into chunks. Now add around 140 grams of reduced fat crème fraiche and stir into the dish. Next, add around 50 ml of water and crumble in a reduced salt stock cube. Use a pair of scissors to snip in a small bunch of chives into the dish. And finally add your cooked pasta and give everything a good stir to make sure it's thoroughly combined. Serve and enjoy.